Hi again, everyone. We're now on page 112, and we're going to explore together the arpeggio version in root position, first inversion, and second inversion. Just to remind everyone, what arpeggio is basically a broken triad. So instead of playing it together, instead of playing block, we're actually playing one note at a time. And this is called broken triad or arpeggio, arpeggiated triad, from the Italian word harp. We're going to start on page 112 for C major, and then we're going to do the same thing in F major and G major. The first thing I want to ask from you is to place both your hands on the piano before you start. That's for not panicking, not playing wrong notes, and not changing your pulse and intervening in your tempo as you perform. So better to be safe and secure from the beginning, start in position with fingers 1, 3, and 5. And then instead of playing the whole thing together, we're going to break that down in fragments. And we're going to study first the transition of the left hand above the right hand. So we're going to do only the first 3 measures as slowly as we can. And our goal is to smoothly float above the right hand and land on C. You have to be able to do that on the same pace, very securely, even closing your eyes and finding the appropriate distance. Let's do that again. After you have perfect this transition, you can continue and do the same thing for the right hand. So although the right hand crosses above, you will see that the right hand crosses under. Let's do that again. Above, find your C, under, find your C. You see that I'm not waiting until the last minute to do the transition, right? As soon as my other hand starts playing, right now the right hand starts playing, the left hand is already transitioning, left hand is playing, right hand is traveling to find the new note. And that way I save time, I prepare my position, and I don't risk playing wrong notes. Doing the same thing going down, I start again positioning both my hands on the piano, the right hand crosses over, and left hand crosses under. So again, you can practice that in fragments, just practicing the transitioning of the right hand until you find that with the pinky. Try that with closed eyes again until you become familiar with this. And only when you have perfected, you go and you try the same thing for left hand. Again. And ultimately, I have the whole passage descending. Okay, here it is C major again. Exactly the same idea, this time in F major and G major. You can again break that down in fragments as we did with C major. I'm just going to play the entire thing now. Positioning both your hands on the piano before you start, and transition before it's time to actually play. Transition in time, so you can be on position on time. One more time, this time explaining when I'm going above and when I'm going under. Left hand moving above, right hand moving under. I repeat, right hand is going to move above, left hand pressing under, and And now the same thing in G major. Find again your position. Let me try over here so it's closer to your camera. And I'm doing same finger numbers. Crossing above. Repeats. Crossing above. Going under. One more time. Remember that our goal with these exercises is to find the exact position before it's time to play the position.